What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you a game called Goldfish. Now the purpose of the game is, in the end, whoever gets the most booklets of 4 wins. If you're playing with 4 people, you get 5 cards each. If you're playing with 2 people, you get 7 cards each. Well, check it out. Hope you like it. I'm going to show you with 2 people, and basically you give out 7 cards. Okay, in the middle you put the goldfish pile. Now when you're playing the game, you don't show your cards, but like I'm trying to show it, so they will show the cards now. So now we're playing. So it's this player's turn. So this player will ask this player if he will choose a card of the most. So he's gonna say, hey, do you have a K? So this player has 2 Ks. So both of these Ks will become his. Okay? So now it's still his turn until he gets called Goldfish. So he will say, hey, do you have an ace? This person does not have an ace, and he'll call Goldfish. So then he'll pick up a card. Now you try to keep all your cards together, because the point is to get the most books of 4. So now this person's playing. He say, hey, do you have a 4? He'll say yes. So that becomes his. So he'll say, like he has 2 Qs, he will go for like a Q. So he'll say, hey, do you have a Q? This person doesn't have it, so he will say Goldfish. So he will pick up a card. So this person will say, hey, do you have an 8? So this person doesn't have an 8, and he will get it. And he will say, hey, do you have a 9? This person doesn't have it. He will call Goldfish, and he will get another one. As you can see, there's another 8. So now this person will say, hey, do you have a 4? Doesn't have a 4. He'll call Goldfish. He will pick up a card. This person will go, hey, do you have a 3? This person doesn't have it. He'll pick up a card. This person will say, hey, do you got a Q? He doesn't have it. He will say Goldfish. This person will pick up. This person will say, hey, do you got an 8? He doesn't have it. He will say Goldfish. This person will pick up. And it will keep on going. Hey, do you have a 6? This person doesn't have it. Goldfish. He'll get his thing. Hey, do you have a 10? This person doesn't have it. Goldfish. He'll get a 2. Hey, do you have a 2? He has a 2. He will get it. Do you happen to have a 6? No. Goldfish. He will get a 2. This person will say, hey, do you happen to have a 9? No, doesn't have it. Goldfish. He'll pick up a card. Now this person will say, you happen to have an 8? Yes. So this person will give the 3 8s, bring it over here, and those, he has 4 8s. He will flip. It'll be 1 booklet. So then it's still his turn, and it'll keep on going like that. So basically, that's the purpose of the game, is to make the most decks of 4. So you'll keep on going with Goldfish. It's more funner with 4 people, because it makes it more interesting and more people to ask what card do they have instead of 2. But the game can last a while. It's really fun. Hope it's helpful. If you have any question below, just comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I get an email. I'm very fast in responding. Well, like and subscribe. Hopefully you like it. Thanks.